Need to provide pay stubs for a loan application or just want a copy for your records? If you can't find where to print them in ADP, you're not alone. Today, we're printing pay stubs from both the employer and employee perspectives. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Pay stubs are available for every processed paycheck and can be accessed by both administrators and employees. For employees, the self-service portal. Employees log into their ADP Workforce Now account. They go to Pay and Taxes or My Pay Statements, select the pay period they need, and click View or Print. They can save it as a PDF. For employers, the Report section. As an administrator, go to Reports or Payroll. Look for a report called Payroll Register or Employee Pay Stubs. You can run this for a specific pay period or employee to generate and print stubs for your entire team. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: encourage employees to use the self-service portal. This saves you time and empowers your team. Most loan officers and landlords now accept digital PDF pay stubs from employee self-service portals as official proof of income. So, just like that, you can access pay records whenever you need them. Knowing where to find pay stubs goes a long way in responding quickly to verification requests. Now I'm curious, do you still provide paper pay stubs, or has your company gone fully digital? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.